Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to another duels video. Today I'm going to be playing some more and hopefully getting my rating back up. I've been practicing region guessing Argentina. I haven't really dug into any specific municipality memorization like I have been, but I've just been practicing a lot of Argentina lately. I've been finding it kind of enjoyable. I've come up with some of my own little metas for landscapes, and if one comes up I'll mention it, but I feel like every time I study for things it tends to just not show up in the following video, and then I just end up forgetting whatever I learned from the previous ones. Let's see how this goes. Alright, game one. Georgia. Let's hope we don't get any Georgia today. Are we on like an island? No, that maybe a Portuguese one, I guess, is possible. What is this plate? Oh, is that an Italian plate? Could be. Are we in... No, this is Gen 2. Could we be on an Italian island, perhaps? It's possible. Could try like this one, I guess. Let's give it a shot. It was an island, however, it was a bigger island. Would have been cool if I was correct, though. I don't know why, I just got island vibes there. Got some water tanks up there. Oh, is that an unblurred plate? I want to see that. TN could be my assumption here is Turkey, but I could be wrong. It could also just be like Albania, Montenegro, Greece all has them. I don't see any text though. We have coast to the south. Maybe it makes more sense to go Greece then. It was just Turkey. I should have trusted the plate. I thought it said TN, but I wasn't positive on that. Ooh, interesting. Train track. Probably in the US here. If we are in the US, we're not, however. Pare. Do we have a Google car? We do. We're in Peru, and it is quite dry. Let's see if we can find some info. Llama crossing, that was an interesting sign. Chanca. Also Chanca. Peru. Why am I thinking Peru? No, is this Bolivia actually? Because these signposts are not striped. Yeah, I think so, right? Chanca. I don't think I've heard of that. San Jose. Looks like it says Ibiza. I don't think it does. Alright, let's get into the map. I think it is probably Chanca. San Jose. That could be like a province or something, I'm not sure. Huh. It was near Potosi. Alright, Gen 4, no antenna, blue car. We have a sign behind me in Cyrillic. Maybe Bulgaria then? Oh yeah, we do have an antenna, but anyway. Yeah, probably Bulgaria then, I guess. Maybe northern. Kind of looks like Romania. Yeah, it was northern. B-type guardrail. Blue strips, Gen 4. Vege. Is this Denmark? Yep. Signs say. Absolutely nothing. We have coast to the west, though. Could be something like this. And it was something like that. Oh, it wasn't even coast, it was just a lake. Lucky guess then. Via. This is Italy. Quite flat. Do I go Po Valley? It's quite hilly too, though. I don't really know. I'm gonna hedge southern a little bit. Just right downtown San Marino, apparently. Gen 4, blue strip. Is this like Austria or Germany? Seems that way. 2023 copyright, though. What does this say? Nothing useful. Don't know where to go here. It's hard to say. I'll hedge down here. Go Munich. Yeah, I can't region guess Germany. Don't know why I bother, honestly. I don't know, the landscapes look so similar though. Yellow plates. Oh wait. Why are these guys? These guys have white plates. Oh, could this be that exclave thing down here? Oh, it was Gen 2 yellow plates, so yeah, France makes sense. Whoops. It was also French. Okay, lock in. And he's locked in. He's sending. I think it's just Turkey, right? I don't know where though. Just click middle, I guess. Okay, it was European Turkey. Don't know why he insta-sent. I mean, I gave him 900 points for free. What do we have here? Is this Philippines? What was that? I want to look at that. Yeah, Philippines, it looks like. What do I say here, though? Oh. I mean, that's not a tuk-tuk, so I'm not going to go off that at all. Does the sign say anything? Nothing. I don't know. Going to go north. And it pays off. We're still in it. Gen 2. This is like Isle of Man or something. That's an interesting language. Don't have a preference to where this is right now. I don't think it's Isle of Man. I'm just gonna hedge. It was Isle of Man. I should have just stayed there. I could have been like Welsh or something weird though, and that's GG. We'll take it. That was a close game. Very high rated player. Don't know who this is. Probably in Sweden, right? I want to look at those signs again. It's hard to say. I'm gonna try it though. Go around here. Nope. Okay, more Europe. Czechia, Slovakia, maybe? Try Slovakia. Double white. Does that make sense? It does. Okay. Some Russia with smudges. What's this road angle? This kind of reminds me of this road here. I think I'll try it. Could also be this one or this one over here. Oh, he knew that one. Okay, it was this one. Okay. All right. This is like the UK, probably. Endless forest. No info. Okay, there's a car. Or truck. He is driving left. However, his license plate says Ireland, not the license plate, but maybe the other guy went the other way and we get some points possibly. Nope. Double white. Concrete road. Oh, interesting. It is Australia. I was not expecting that. Where is this? I feel like I should know this instantly, but I don't. This is weird road. Oh, that's isn't that New South Wales guardrail? Ender? I'll try one of these national parks. Probably along here then. The one stripe through it. I swear that's New South Wales. Okay, just downtown Sydney, and somehow he figured that out and clicked Sydney. Maybe he just didn't know and clicked Sydney. All right, is this Argentina? Or Uruguay? Probably Uruguay. Hilly, red road, Uruguay pole, yeah. I guess can try to line something up here. Road like that. Something like this maybe? Could be this too. Oh, it was this one, okay. Some more Russia, that's not good. Probably shouldn't be going into the town, honestly. Let's go this way. Kind of looks like Ukraine pavement back there. Don't think that it says anything helpful, probably not, yeah. Don't see anything that way. I see a sign over here though. Maybe I just saw this building and thought it was a sign. Please give me a sign. And don't give him a sign. Okay, M2, Belgorod, E105, Belgorod. Do I know that? Oh, I feel like I've heard of it. I just don't know where it is. Is it GG? Where's Belgorod? Not GG, but where is that? I have no idea. I've definitely heard of it. Sri Lanka? Yep. Give me an Iceland I can 5k, please. Greenland? What is this? Hiro. Rio Coa. This is Spain. Wait, is it? This is not a Spanish sign. Is this like Portugal then? I suppose. Should be then. Don't know. Hope that's not GG. Probably is. Oh my god, it is. That's so stupid. Bring it back. Ocean Man. I just followed him on Twitter yesterday. Okay. Random forest round. We have an antenna in Europe, presumably, with that antenna. We have some Bhutan guardrails. Just kidding. Well, I have no idea. This could be many things. We have a A-type guardrail. Was that a black back of the sign? What was that? It was. Is this Romania? I guess so. Oh, Albania also has black back of the signs. It's tough. Did not think Albania there at all. Driving left, we have info and we have yellow plates. I think I should probably just click England. Yeah, Scotland. Okay. This like, oh, it's New Zealand. Okay. Seems like we're in the mountains somewhere. Probably South Island then. Wait, what does this say? Nothing. Oh man. Okay, I'm just gonna click south somewhere. Try something like this. I feel like it's kind of an east-west sort of valley. I have no idea how... Okay, it was an east-west valley, but those mountains are much smaller than they appear on the map. Or much larger than they appear on the map, I should say. Okay, double white, driving left. Is that right? Yeah, are we in Malaysia? He's guessing quickly. We are in mainland. Okay. Just need the right rounds. Is this like Albania again? Could it be Monty as well? Okay, it was up there. Is this Japan? Nope, it is not. It is Malaysia, really? Is it? Could that be it? I guess it is. Well, it's obviously mainland, probably somewhere in the mountains. Okay. Ontario plate, maybe? No. I need to get out of this freaking suburb. Like, oh my god, really? I hate these places so much. Why are these like always on maps? I think I just saw a Canadian flag. It's quite hilly, but I guess it could be Ontario. I don't know. I have no idea. I hate this so much. No idea. It was freaking... Oh, and he went Seattle? What? That was my other thought, obviously, but like, it was like not... I'm so upset. Take care. Bye. Don't forget to like the video.